Nation, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Thank you very much for watching. So it's been a while since I stood in front of this board. I've been doing a lot of interviews lately, a lot of short videos on the phone, a lot of live streams on the YouTube. But we just keep the content going, whatever I'm feeling like doing or whatever I have the time to do at that moment. Today I want to talk to you about why you need a website if you're in clinical research. I don't care what you're doing in clinical research. If you're a research clinic, you absolutely need a website right around the time you start applying for studies. So here's why. I got an email from a client of mine who started applying, brand new site, started applying for studies, didn't have a website, okay? And by the way, I do websites for you, but I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself as well. But if you want, I charge $850 and I get your website done for you. I'm going to show you how to do it yourself, but if you don't have the time, I'll do it for you. This client started applying for studies but didn't have a website yet. And one of the study directors got back to him and said, hey, can you send me your website with your site's capabilities, etc., etc. So now this is one study director that actually took the time to email back, I want to see your website. For every one of those, you have maybe 9 others that will never bother because they're just going to Google your site name, and if they can't find a website, if you're not on the first page of Google, that's it, right? Like Global Clinical Trials. If I apply, we have a website. If I apply for studies for my site, I don't have a website, they're going to Google Global Clinical Trials, not going to be able to find it. Somebody might email me back, hey, where's your website? But most won't. And then that's it. You're done, right? If you don't have a web presence, it's 2018. This is not like we're talking about 2006. Okay, where websites were optional in this industry. Everyone needs a website. Research clinics need a website. If you're a CRA or a job seeker, you should probably have a one-page website in addition to your LinkedIn. If you're an independent contractor, CRA, consultant, anything independent contract, you absolutely should have your domain name.com, okay, and put that on your CV, and it should be a one-page website. Mine is dansferrer.com. It has nothing to do with clinical research. It has everything to do with my digital agency. So I don't have a website for my independent contractor business, but I have plenty of other websites. But if you're an independent contractor, just like a research clinic, right, you should have a website that lists your capabilities. How long have you been a CRA for? What kind of studies have you done? Put your CV on there so people can find you. When you apply, you can apply with a link to your website. You can also have your website on the top of your CV, your physical CV. You need one. So what I would do if I were anyone watching who doesn't have a website is go to Squarespace. I get nothing out of this. I use Squarespace for all my websites, all my clients' websites. Squarespace is great, and I will tell you why. First of all, you can, if you have any kind of technical expertise, just a little bit of it, you can make it look nice yourself, okay? If you want it professionally done, you can get it done by me. If you want it even more professionally done, like have it like a phenomenal website, right? You can hire someone that's probably going to be like $5,000. So I'll do it for $800 for you. It's going to look great. You can do it yourself for free. It's probably going to look decent, okay? Squarespace. What I like about Squarespace, besides the ease of use, is you can also do the hosting through Squarespace, right? Not only can you design it, but you need a place to park to host your website. So that's included. Also, what's included, and this may not be important for all of you, but for some of you it is, it's a great added bonus. You have a free podcast stream and unlimited storage, depending on the plan you buy, which is somewhere around $14 a month maximum, right, for the hosting and the storage and all that stuff. So you get a podcast, and you can also have blogging capabilities. So for some of you research clinics, I'm working with a lot of research clinics now. We're doing a lot of site marketing, digital marketing for them. We're setting up blogs for them. Blogging is important. Content marketing is going to be the way of marketing in the future, 2018 and beyond. It's been the way of the future in other industries. I've been doing it, personally benefiting from it. But now a lot of research clinics, a lot of other life sciences companies are starting to jump on board. My digital marketing agency is booming. I mean, I get new clients every day because of this stuff, content marketing, okay? But even if you're not interested in content marketing, you should still have a website if you're a research clinic with your capabilities, who you are, who's your PI, who's your staff. If you're an independent contractor, who are you, what studies have you done, what phases have you worked on, what EDC and CTMS and IWRS systems you have. And if you're smart, or you want to, or you feel inclined to do so, or you want to grow your business, start blogging, start incorporating some content marketing into it, and you can do it all through Squarespace. So first thing I would do, go to GoDaddy, GoDaddy.com, and buy a domain name. Okay, that's like dansfera.com or globalclinicaltrials.org. Go see what's available, buy it. It's probably like 12 bucks a year, okay? Then you want to get a hosting on Squarespace, which is about 15 bucks a month. Hosting is more expensive than buying a domain. And then you have a website, okay? And if you need further help, I'll help you out. Thank you for watching. It's 2018. Let's start acting like it. Talk to you later, Guru Nation. Bye-bye.